Let me tell you the truth, more than 90% of traders lose money, not because the market is hard, but because they make the same mistakes every day. And the worst part? They think they're close to success, but in reality, they're further than ever. If you came into trading thinking you can double your account fast, let me be honest with you, that mindset alone can cost you everything. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 real reasons why most traders lose, and if you don't fix them, you will keep losing. First, poor risk management. Trading without controlling risk and risking too much on one trade. Second, emotional trading. Fear and greed. Making decisions based on emotions instead of logic. Third, no clear trading plan. Entering trades randomly without rules or strategy. Fourth, chasing quick profits, trying to double your account fast, instead of growing slowly. Fifth, not learning from mistakes, repeating the same errors without reviewing trades.